Oh, viewers, I'm gutted. I'm absolutely gutted, devastated in fact. We just flew Trevor's last mission. This, people who don't know, this is Trevor the drone. And Mama Bear gave me this drone back in 2018 for Christmas because she knew we were starting our online business and adventures, and she wanted me to have some cool aerial footage of all driving and stuff like that. There's a pod of dolphins out there. You probably can't see them. I'll try and zoom in. There's a pod of dolphins out there. I got the drone up real quick because they've been going out that way and then coming back in and then going out and then back in again. I got the drone out to fly out there so I could get some good footage of them. Anyway, I'll show you. I'll show you the video. I'm flying out there and I've lost them, and then I saw them and then I flew towards them, and then all of a sudden it just fell out of the air, just started going down. It's hit the water. I looked up because I was looking at the screen, and I looked up and I could see it at just big splash in the ocean. Mate, that's the bloody Indian Ocean. Big splash in the ocean. I've gone, oh no. And you know how your mind instantaneously goes into like, righto, blah blah blah, I can do this, I can do this. I was thinking, yep, righto, I can fly down the hill. I'll get the paddleboard, I'll fly down the hill. I can scoot out there on the paddleboard, get me snorkel and flipper gear. I know roughly where it is. I can dive down and grab it. Anyway, I look back at the screen and the stupid thing's taken off again. And it's coming up with all these error codes on the screen. The gimbal's not working. I can't rotate the camera or anything. I watched it because, you know, keep the drone in line of sight. I was watching it and it was just rising up. And I was like, right, have I still got movement? I could still move it. Anyway, I managed to get it back here. So I've got it back. It was wet. When it got back here, Bree's like, no, I didn't hit the water. I'm like, it hit the water. I watched it. And she got back here and it's literally dripping. There's water dripping off the drone and I'm still flying it back here. So thank me lucky stars. The big fella upstairs, he's looking after me, and got Trevor back, but I think that's it, mate. I won't even bother trying to fly it again. I love this drone, but yes, we will purchase another drone. This was Trevor's last mission. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm not even gonna edit the video. I'm gonna play the whole thing. I'm glad there's no sound because there was a little bit of swearing. Gobby. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed Trevor's last mission. Once he got it back here, I left it running. I left it flying because I knew once I turned it off. Oh, what's the controls beeping at me now? Once I turned it off, there'd be no turning it back on again. So I left it flying and just hovered it there so that to try and dry it out. And then I quickly got the compressor out, and I have got a handy blowdown nozzle with me. And while it was still running, not the propeller spinning, obviously I turned it off. While the fans and everything was still going, I blew it all out. So hopefully there's not too much internal damage, but I will get it fixed. But I definitely won't be doing like cool missions with it anymore. It'll be like a, yeah, I don't know what I'll do, but I definitely want to get it fixed because Mama Bear gave it to me. So I'm just so glad, so thankful that I got it back. Hey, you.